Hey guys, welcome back. You do this.
मैं हूँ श्रुति, ये है JoJo, and today is a Ghana which is I think everybody has grown up on. Well, it might not be this
Yes.
particular track, but Ghana है ना everyone, right from उसका जो folk song version है to the filmy version to many versions that have come. So the song, of course, today is Kali Teri Gut, which has many versions. But today's version, Jojo, which one is it?
It's the Hari and Sukmani version. And whenever there's a version of any track that they drop, I am super happy and excited. Oh my god, I love them so much. They are just, oh, they bring their own sort of electronic folk vibe to these classics and these folk songs. And it is
Correct.
beyond. It is beyond. It's just so good. They're so popular for a reason. And what I love about them is they won't drop properly mixed tracks very often, but when they do, oh ho ho, aho, aho only happens.
Aho.
So I think the during the lockdown, it's been great in that sense because they themselves on their Instagram handle have said that we finally got the time to sit down and produce our tracks and put them out in a
Yeah.
proper with proper releases and all that. So they released two tracks last year, and now another new one, Kali Teri, with a video has dropped. So very unusual for them to release like this with proper videos and all, but love it when they do because all their older stuff, you won't believe it. There's no like videos of it, very few if there are, and the audios are released, and more like decade older stuff is on their SoundCloud page. And
Correct.
whenever I can find a Hari Sukmani audio, I grab it with both hands. I'm like, before I lose this, let me just download it because their music, I really like. I don't know if they'll ever watch this, but if you do, please release all your audios of your previous songs and everything officially somewhere where it can be compiled into a nice playlist and heard. But now they've dropped this on 14th of May. It says this song is an epitome of the culture of Punjab, a sweet and happy song, which is an expression of simple love. In addition, our version has original English lyrics that resound with our sound that connects with urban culture. That's a very trademark Hari Sukmani thing.
Yeah, it's that perfect fusion thing they do. Yeah.
So excited? Let's do it.
Yeah.
Chalo.
Let's do. Ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, play.
काली तेरी गुत्त ते परांदा तेरा लाली
आहो आहो
काली तेरी गुत्त ते परांदा तेरा लाली
आहो आहो
काली तेरी काली तेरी गुत्त ते परांदा तेरा लाली रूप दिया रानी तू परांदे नु संभाली काली तेरी गुत्त ते परांदा तेरा लाली
There's light in your shadow, where all the pretty things grow. I can see it in your eyes. Little do they know, standing here waiting for your song. I brought my heart so I can sing along. Standing here waiting for your song. I brought my heart so I can sing along.
कन्ना विच गुंद तेरे रूप दा चिंगारी ਤੇਰੇ ਬੋਲ ਮੂੰਹ ਬੋਲੇ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਨੀ ਕੰਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੁੰਦ ਤੇਰੇ ਰੂਪ ਦਾ ਸ਼ਿੰਗਾਰ ਨੀ ਮਿੱਠੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਬੋਲ ਮੂੰਹ ਬੋਲੇ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਨੀ ਚੱਲੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਰੂਪ ਵਾਲੀ ਚਾਲੀ ਕਾਲੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਗੁੱਤ ਤੇ ਪਰਾਂਦਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਲਾਲੀ
Aho, aho,
ਕਾਲੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਗੁੱਤ ਤੇ ਪਰਾਂਦਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਲਾਲੀ
aho, aho.
ਕਾਲੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਚੰਨ ਜਹ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ ਗਿੱਟ ਗਿੱਟ ਲਾਲੀਆਂ ਮਹਿਕਦੀ ਜਵਾਨੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਚੰਬੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਡਾਲੀਆਂ ਚੰਨ ਜਹ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ ਗਿੱਟ ਗਿੱਟ ਲਾਲੀਆਂ ਮਹਿਕਦੀ ਜਵਾਨੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਚੰਬੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਡਾਲੀਆਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਪਾਉਂਦੀ ਐ ਨੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਮੋਰਨੀ ਦੀ ਚਾਲੀ ਕਾਲੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਗੁੱਤ ਤੇ ਪਰਾਂਦਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਲਾਲੀ
Aho, aho,
ਕਾਲੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਗੁੱਤ ਤੇ ਪਰਾਂਦਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਲਾਲੀ
aho, aho.
ਕਾਲੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਕਾਲੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਕਾਲੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਕਾਲੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਕਾਲੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਕਾਲੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਕਾਲੀ ਤੇਰੀ
Such a sweet song.
Oh.
It's just their voices, yeah. It's just they're very magical. It's like I love
This is what I've been
I love their
saying.
makeup also.
Mm.
Yeah. I love like how, you know, कि अच्छा एक वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करते हैं चलो नीचे ऐसे ही मतलब you
They're
know,
very
गाड़ी खड़ी
chill.
करते हैं,
Huh? They're
बातें
very
कर लेते
chill
हैं.
like that. Even when they perform in their gigs and all, they're very chill. They're just doing their own thing
Yeah.
on stage.
Yeah.
No like nothing extra. It's just like, we have our own vibe and we have our own style and our own way of doing this. Let's just
Let's just do.
give you what you want. What are your thoughts? You go on this version.
Okay, so सबसे पहले तो usually one is very used to this song being very very like Sangeet and dance. So all other
Loud
versions that
and
we've
extra.
heard, yeah,
Yeah.
no, and very fast, very
Yeah.
fast. So that's why it's so much fun in most shadis to dance to the song because it's all very very fast paced.
Yeah.
In this they went बिल्कुल ही उल्टा.
Yeah.
जैसे गाना बड़ा सुंदर है बहुत प्यारा है चलो बिल्कुल slowly इसको perform करते हैं and let's enjoy the song for what it is. You know,
Mm.
let's go into a feel with it. So I loved that. I loved how they've kept it the video they've kept it very minimum, like, you know, because they both are so good that the focus they've kept is, हाँ ठीक है, अच्छे कपड़े पहनेंगे, ऐसे crazy सा makeup करेंगे, which will be fully like, it's very
We'll just-
enticing.
Yeah, and we'll just vibe.
Yeah.
We'll just vibe to the song.
Because it goes so well with the way they've sung it, na? It's like, it's trippy. It's taking you into this trip. So makeup and everything is also like that, कि हम अपने zone में रहेंगे, हम धीरे-धीरे नाचेंगे, you know? And Hari was so funny. Like, you know, Hari, like, it's face expressions and everything is just
When
hilarious.
he's doing
And-
that step, na, then
No,
at
that's the
that point, I felt like he's gonna go into a whirling Sufi mode because he's anyway dressed
I
like
think-
that.
I
So,
think, yeah, I think that was the intention because that came across to me as well. I was like,
हाँ.
pakka ye thoda waisa. At one point, when lower angle mein, he was twirling, but it wasn't a proper twirl. It was just like one going, you know, wo usme bhi fusion tha. तो वो
Yeah.
वाला. But very beautiful. Very, like, I loved this track. Little
Mm.
English thing that they put in the middle, which only like just sprinkled it with flavor that, you know, the verses stood out even better with that.
Yes.
So it's a very pretty track. Like, I would love to
Yeah.
have it just going on while I'm going
Yeah.
about my day. Like, I
Yeah.
can listen to it properly.
So I have to say, like, for me, Hari and Sukhmani, Sukhmani's voice has always been one of my favorites. It's like when it comes to folk songs, for me, Sukhmani is number one. like in all the female singers I've heard, and it's just a personal preference, but I just love her voice texture. I love how she makes those folk songs her own, and I just love her entire like persona as a singer and everything. So as a performer, as a singer, all of that. So it's just that for me already the song will score when Sukhmani is on the vocals. And from the start, from the time I discovered their music, I have loved how Hari inserts his little English lines into each track. When they did it in their version of Boohe Baariyan. There are two versions that they did, but the first one, the original one, he did it in Mahi Ve Mahi, which I love. It's just like it'll just be these three lines, but there'll be something so deep in those 2 or 3 lines that he'll drop in that it'll just be like, oh, I like, and then you'll want to sing along when you listen to those songs again. You're anyway singing along to the Punjabi bit, but you'll sing along to the English lines as well. They'll be so like, their what do you call it? Recall value is that high. So the more you listen to this one also, you'll remember Hari's lines, and you'll sing. Like I was already singing along on the second time when he sang it. It was such a good line. So that loved. And then I believe Hari produces and mixes the tracks. He also does the music.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. So what to say? The drops and the beat and just the entire vibe is they're basically, for me, they are there is a, and if you care to look this up, do. But there's a band, a Spanish group called Chambao, and they have this very chill. They've been like I think Shruts, I must have made you listen to them back in the day.
She introduced me to them, and after that, I was hooked to their music and their life and everything ever since then. Yeah, I have made other people listen to it, and now they are hooked to it. So it's like this one cycle that goes on.
Yeah. So Chambao is oh my God, they're a vibe of their own. They're just, and their lyrics are deep. They're just okay. So they're a vibe, and they're kind of this chill sound. For me, like Hari Sukhmani in that zone, because also chill vibes, also electronic, also beautiful vocals. So it's just it takes me into a zone. I love it. So every time they drop something like this, I'm just like, oh, it's so good. It's like painfully good. So good. I love it. And I must say the video was so simple. वो बस नीचे गए, like you said, गाड़ी थी वहाँ पे, और
उसके फूल लगाए गाड़ी पे, उसके आसपास करके ये गाड़ी उनको पता. I think the biggest part must have been अब ये गाड़ी ढूंढे कहाँ, because ऐसी गाड़ियां आजकल मिलती कम है. तो I think इनको जब ये गाड़ी मिल गई होगी, they be like, हाँ आधा काम हमारा हो गया, अब बस यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मेकअप लगाओ और कुछ करो, चलो नीचे करो. So yeah.
So it says here a big. I'm seeing art direction and DOP Sambhav, edit Parv Khurana, makeup Pallavi Devika, very nice makeup. A big shout out to Nikki Dot for lending us her cool car for this video, and to Leila Irfan for parting with her Persian dove. Thank you so much, guys. So yeah, well done. Thank you guys for the car. It was very nice to see. But very chill video, very cool. It's going on my show, it's going on my playlist, and another hit from HNS. So please keep dropping more songs more often. That's all I have to say to them. Keep them coming. And on that note, check out Miss Bhola's channel, YouTube page, Podcasting.
Thank you.
It's also all her Spotify shows and everything is linked below. Check it out. Hit me up on Instagram if you want to request a song, and we'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.